if everything collapsed? Governments, cities, power grids. What would you trust to keep you alive? A bunker underground? Or a $5 million monster that can drive straight through chaos? This is the Apocalypse Luxury Truck, a rolling fortress designed for the people who don't just survive the end of the world, they dominate it. 6 massive wheels, matte black armored plating. A stance so aggressive, it looks like it belongs in a war zone, not on public roads. But this isn't just about looks. Beneath that armor is a 1,000 horsepower tri-turbo diesel engine built to crush mountains, tear through mud, and keep moving no matter what stands in its way. The run-flat tires can take extreme punishment and still push forward like nothing happened. And when the world goes dark, this truck doesn't. It's equipped with full 360-degree thermal night vision, turning pitch black into clear vision. An advanced air filtration system protects against nuclear, biological, and chemical threats, meaning even the air outside can't touch you. And with its massive fuel capacity, this beast can travel across entire regions without ever needing to stop. But here's where things get insane. Step inside, and it feels like you've entered a completely different world. The chaos outside disappears. Silence, comfort, control. Italian hand-stitched leather wraps every surface. Heated marble floors warm your feet. Ambient lighting glows like a luxury penthouse on wheels. And at the center of it all, the bunker suite. A king-sized bed. A gold-trimmed rain shower. A hidden 4K cinema that rises at the touch of a button. This isn't survival. This is luxury. In its most extreme form, you've got satellite connectivity keeping you linked to the world, even when the world itself is gone. A massive filtered water system designed to last for years. Solar power strong enough to run everything, even in the middle of a burning desert. This truck doesn't just protect you, it isolates you from reality. So why would anyone spend $5 million on something like this? Because when everything else fails, this doesn't. It's not just a vehicle. It's peace of mind. Power, control. It's the difference between fear and absolute confidence. Now, imagine this. You're standing at the edge of the world, watching everything fall apart. Do you run and hide? Or do you climb inside this machine and drive straight through it? Tell me in the comments, would you own this, or is this next level overkill? And if you want to see more insane machines like this, hit subscribe to RPM Royals, because this is just the beginning.